This is question number 2, lab number 2. All right, and this question here, they are giving you the z-score, which is 0.59, and they are asking you about the area covered by this score from here to here. All right, so basically you are looking for the blue area. All right, so the easiest part for this would be the calculator. All right, in order to use a calculator, you need two things. You need the z lower, the lower end, and you need the upper hand. So the upper end is, we know, is 0.59, and the lower end is going to be minus infinity, because this is going to continue indefinite, right? All right, so how can you use a calculator to get this? All right, of course you can use the table, but I think it's easier to go with the calculator. It goes faster. All right, so the function that we're going to be used is and the distributions, and distributions are you see it here above the vars. All right, so distribution is in blue. I need to go to second and then vars. So turn on the calculator. I go to second, then vars. So I'm in the menu of distributions, and the function that we're going to use is called CDF. It's a cumulative distribution function, right? And it has to be normal distribution. So we're going to go enter. Now, by default, the lower end is -1 e to the 99. That's basically the minus infinity, right? So if it is minus, is negative, and 1 exponents 99 basically is huge number, which is infinity, right? So how can I type it if I don't have it? So simple. You go to the minus sign here, then the 1 here, and the exponents, you're going to go to second and comma, and you see double E there, that's the exponents. All right, and then 99. All right, as simple as that. So I just plugged the lower end, this one, and then I'm going to go to the upper end. So the upper end, I have it here, which is 0.59, so 0.59 is good. And now it's asking about the mean and standard deviation. All right, keep in mind this is valid for any mean and any standard deviation, but in the case we have the mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1, that's the standard mode, right? Every time we have mu equals 0 and sigma is going to be 1, this is the standard normal distribution. Okay, so keep in mind this. All right, so the mean is going to be 0 and sigma is going to be 1. We keep it, we go enter and enter again, and we're going to get this one 0.224. so this is the area that we are looking for, 0.7224. Now, how can I write it mathematically? Of course, the answer would be this, right? So the way to write it down would be, you have to describe the z. All right, so the z, you see, is extending from minus infinity to 0.59. So I can write the probability of z less than 0.59. All right, so that's the inequality of the z. And if I say the probability, it means the area. So this is the description of the axis, which is the z-axis whenever you are in the standard mode, and the p means the area, and that's going to give you 0.7224. All right. Now, regarding this question, did I need to go through all these steps? Actually, if you have a little understanding, you could avoid everything, because the total area we know is 1. So the total area under the bell shape here, totality is going to be 1. Obviously, we didn't cover everything, so it's not 1. obviously is bigger than the half. This is the half, so it's not smaller than the half. We can eliminate this, and we know that it's slightly bigger than the half, otherwise it will be 0, 0, so it's not 0.5, which is exactly the half. So we are left only with this. All right, so this is the second method to do it. All right, I hope this will help, and that's all.